due. Know that silver mining companies just posted their highest profit margins in 15 years. Yet, these same stocks are trading 70% below their 2011 highs. Something just doesn't add up. The vaults are draining, demand is exploding, and the stocks that mine this metal are sitting at decade lows. Today, I'm revealing 3 silver miners I believe are positioned for 10x gains before March 2026. If you're really serious about silver, make sure you subscribe now. This channel is dedicated to keeping you ahead of the coming squeeze. But before I give you the names, you absolutely need to understand why this incredible opportunity exists right now. Here's what most people don't get about mining stocks. When the price of silver doubles, miners don't just double. They explode. We're talking 3 times, 5 times, sometimes even 10 times higher. Think back to 2010. Silver went from $18 to nearly $50. Do you know what happened to some of the mining stocks? They went up 500% in just 18 months. That's not hype, it's pure math. Fixed costs plus rising silver prices equals exploding profit margins. On this channel, we track the data that others ignore. And a quick heads up. I will never reply in the comments asking you to message me. Those are scammers. My goal is to give you the research so you can make your own informed decisions. Now, let me show you the evidence that the squeeze is much closer than anyone realizes. Pay very close attention to what I'm about to tell you. COMEX registered silver just dropped below 30 million ounces. That is the lowest level since 1993. Let me repeat that. Physical silver backing all of these paper contracts could literally fit inside a single warehouse. One coordinated delivery request, and the entire system could break. But it gets worse. Silver mine production actually peaked back in 2016. We are now running a 200 million ounce annual deficit. That means the world consumes more silver every single year than we dig out of the ground. And here's the part that should genuinely scare you. Solar panels alone now eat up 20% of the global silver supply. Electric vehicles need silver. Missiles need silver. Medical equipment needs silver. Projections show that by next year, solar could consume 30% of all silver mined. So we have demand that is absolutely exploding while supply is shrinking. But wait, there's more. While Western paper markets are crashing the price, look at what the East is doing. China imported more silver in the last 18 months than in the previous 5 years combined. Russia just added silver to its strategic reserves. And in India, buyers are paying 25% premiums over the spot price. Connect the dots. The people with the real information, central banks, governments, billionaires are buying up everything they can get their hands on. They see what's coming. Let that sink in for a moment. By March 2026, I believe one of 2 things will happen. Either the paper price will finally catch up to physical reality, or physical silver will become nearly impossible to buy at any price. Third. Either way, the mining stocks will move first and they will move fastest. Now, let me show you who's been keeping these prices artificially low, and more importantly, why their game is about to end. Here's what they're not telling you. The big bullion banks are currently holding 800 million ounces in paper short positions. That's more silver than exists in all the COMEX and LBMA vaults combined. This isn't random market fluctuation. It's coordinated. They use sophisticated algorithms to trigger stop losses. They shake out the weak hands. They crash the price on low-volume days when nobody is watching. The paper market says silver is worth $30. The physical market says you can't even get your hands on it. One of these is lying to you. They are playing video games on a computer screen while you have the chance to take home the actual prize. This is a massive transfer of wealth. The only question is, which side will you be on? So, what does this all mean for mining stocks? Here's where it gets really exciting. I believe their manipulation has backfired. They pushed prices so low that many mining stocks are now trading at a negative value compared to the silver they have in the ground. That is completely unsustainable, and it won't last. So, here are the 3 stocks I'm watching closely before March 2026. Stock number 1 is First Majestic Silver, ticker symbol AG. This is a pure-play silver producer. When silver runs, this stock tends to move 3 to 5 times faster. It's trading at just a fraction of its 2011 high, while producing more silver than ever before. The CEO, Keith Neumeyer, has been calling out the market manipulation for years. This stock has explosive short squeeze potential. Stock number 2 is MAG Silver, ticker symbol MAG. They own 44% of the highest grade silver deposit discovered in the last decade. Production is ramping up right now. Chet. This is the one that I believe institutions are quietly accumulating while retail is still asleep at the wheel. And stock number 3 is Endeavour Silver, ticker EXK. This is one of the lowest cost producers in the entire sector. When silver hits $50, their profit margins could explode by 400%. They have new mines coming online in 2025, which is perfect timing just before the potential squeeze. Sir, while others panic at the paper price drops, you now know what's really happening behind the scenes. In 1979, silver went from $6 to $50. Some mining stocks went up 2,000%. We're setting up for a very similar pattern, but this time, the fundamentals are even stronger. Now, here's what I need you to do. If you want more of my stock picks before March 2026, subscribe now. I'm releasing my complete watch list very soon. Smash that like button so YouTube shows this video to other stackers and investors who deserve to see it. And drop a comment below. Which of these 3 stocks are you buying? Or tell me your top pick. I read every single comment. A quick warning, I will never ever ask you to message me privately. Anyone doing that is a scammer. Report them and block them immediately. The vaults are draining. The East is hoarding. This squeeze isn't coming. It's already here. The only question is, will you be positioned before March 2026, or will you be watching from the sidelines? This is JonFunds AG. Invest with logic, not hype. I'll see you in the next one. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Please do your own research before making any investment decisions.